We are a digital plant with a history of more than a century. We are the largest manufacturer of smart, efficient, asynchronous motors in Europe. With an area of 258,000 square meters, we are the largest Siemens plant in the world. Almost 2,000 employees work for us. We produce over 700,000 electric motors annually, and we have 66,000 different variants. We are looking for a system to facilitate our daily work with documentation of the plant and increase the efficiency in production. For maintenance processes, we decided on Komos Mobile Worker. Today we have digitized documentation at all sites, and key machines are connected to the cloud. We use the visualization of the data to maximize production efficiency. Our team works in multi-shift operations and takes care of more than 2,000 machines and devices. Komos helps us to keep the plant up and running, and it makes it easier for us to identify a detailed route to the cause of failures. Maintenance information and data is clearly structured, and based on this, we can prepare a maintenance plan. The system also enables us to prevent failures so that we can provide our plant with comprehensive repair services flexibly, quickly, and accurately. We use Komos and its mobile solutions, Komos Mobile Worker, which are connected to SAP for planning, maintenance, and warehouse management, and to carry out repairs. Additionally, we use the web portal for the evaluation of all activities and monitoring of machine availability. There we can find an overview of all current breakdowns, the complete history and availability of the machines. We track top failures, spare parts consumption, and see the progress of maintenance orders. A comprehensive overview of all indicators is available in one place. The maintenance staff only work with mobile devices, where they have all the information. The devices are tagged, and the history of the monitored machines can be detected practically anywhere. Newly created machines are automatically transferred to Komos, where QR codes are generated for the machines. A complete machine documentation with editing capabilities is also available. Maintenance requests coming from the factory are entered via the control panels. The system then sends downtime information directly to the Komos Mobile Worker app. If a downtime occurs on the machine, the field operator receives a report, controls the details of the downtime, and can do the necessary repair. Even at that moment, thanks to the Komos Mobile Worker interface, the field operator can see the entire maintenance history of the machine, look at the last material dispensed to the machine, or view important maintenance manuals. Production requests can be received, processed, and closed anywhere in the plant, and the maintenance manager has an instant overview. Right at the machine, the field operator can use the search function to find and request the required spare part. Digitalization with Komos not only provides us a planning tool, it also provides a comprehensive detail of the machine's history, its documentation database, a comprehensive warehouse system, and a flexible mobile solution. By combining all these functionalities, we get a comprehensive maintenance tool. Digitalization is very important to us and enables us to fulfill our predefined goals for the plant. Equipment availability is one of the key factors in production. Applications to monitor it and support maintenance are essential tools for us to increase the whole efficiency of production.